Confused by direct debits and standing orders? Let's clear it up. Hey, I'm Mr. Money Control, helping you stay in control of your money. Now, direct debits and standing orders confuse a lot of people, but they're actually quite simple. Once you understand them, let's start with direct debits. A direct debit is when you give a company permission to take money directly from your account. So, for example, your mobile phone bill, the amount can change each month depending on your usage, and the company decides the amount. With a standing order, you decide the amount and the frequency. So for example, you could set £100 to be sent to your landlord every month. It will always be £100 unless you change it. So why does this matter? Because confusing the two can lead to surprises. So imagine you expect £50 to leave your account, but a company takes £70 via direct debit. If you weren't prepared, that could cause problems. So tip is always to check your bank statement to see what's leaving your account. Cancel any old direct debits and standing orders that you no longer need. And unused gym memberships are a classic example. So if you have a direct debit that takes the wrong amount, you're actually protected by the direct debit guarantee, which means that the bank must refund you. Now, common mistakes are forgetting about small subscriptions. These do add up. Not keeping enough money in your account to cover payments, that can lead to overdraft fees. Assuming standing orders adjust automatically, they don't. You need to update them. If your rent or your payments change, think of it this way. A direct debit company is in control. A standing order is you're in control. Now, you know the difference between direct debit and a standing order and how to use both wisely. Now, follow more for financial education with Mr. Money Control.
Thank you for watching at Mr. Money Control. Please follow for more financial tips and subscribe, like and comment.